Choosing the best cashback credit card could be one of the smartest financial decisions you make this year. Why? Because unlike points or travel miles that lock you into specific programs, cashback rewards are simple, flexible, and universally valuable. Whether you spend on groceries, gas, dining, or online shopping, the right card can quietly return hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars back to your wallet every year. In this guide, you'll learn how cashback cards work, which types are best for different lifestyles, and how to maximize rewards without falling into debt. Let's start with the basics. What is a cashback credit card? A cashback credit card gives you a percentage of your spending back as money. For example, if your card offers 2% cash back and you spend $1,000, you earn $20 back. That cash can usually be redeemed as statement credits, direct bank deposits, checks or gift cards, or sometimes PayPal or digital wallet transfers. Unlike travel rewards, cashback is straightforward and easy to use, which makes it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. Why cashback cards are so popular in the U.S. Cashback cards dominate the American credit card market for a few simple reasons. They have no blackout dates. They work for everyday spending. Redemption is simple. And they're ideal for families, professionals, and students. With inflation still affecting daily expenses, earning money back on necessities like groceries and gas is more valuable than ever. Types of cashback credit cards. Not all cashback cards are the same. Understanding the categories helps you choose the best one for your spending habits. Flat rate cards. These offer the same reward rate on all purchases, usually between 1.5 and 2%. They're best for people who want simplicity and predictable rewards. Category cards. These give higher rewards, sometimes 3 to 6%, on specific categories like groceries, dining, or gas. They're ideal for households with consistent monthly expenses. Rotating category cards. These change reward categories every quarter and can offer up to 5% cash back after activation. They're great for organized users who don't mind tracking categories. Welcome bonus cards. Some cards offer $200 to $300 in bonuses after meeting a spending requirement. These are best for new cardholders or planned large purchases. How much cash back can you really earn? Let's look at a realistic example. Imagine you spend $2,000 per month across groceries, gas, dining, and other purchases. That's $24,000 per year. With an average blended cash back rate of 2.5%, you could earn around $600 annually, just for using the right card. That's passive savings from spending you'd already be doing. Key features to compare before applying. Before choosing a card, always evaluate these factors. Cashback rate, flat or category-based. Annual fee, many top cards cost $0. Redemption flexibility. Foreign transaction fees. And APR, especially if you might carry a balance. Comparing these features helps you choose a card that truly benefits your lifestyle. How to maximize cashback rewards. Here are expert strategies smart card users follow. Use multiple cards strategically, one for groceries, one for gas, and one flat rate card for everything else. Always pay your balance in full. Interest charges can wipe out rewards instantly. Activate rotating categories so you never miss higher rewards. Redeem rewards regularly so your earnings stay useful. And avoid annual fees unless the rewards clearly exceed the cost. Common mistakes to avoid. Many people lose money with rewards cards because they carry high balances while chasing rewards. Apply for too many cards at once. Ignore credit score requirements. Or forget category limits and spending caps. Cashback works best when paired with financial discipline. Are cashback cards better than travel cards? For many Americans, yes. Cashback cards win if you don't travel often, prefer simplicity, or want guaranteed value. Travel cards can offer higher upside in some cases. But cashback is consistent, predictable, and stress-free. Credit score needed. Most strong cashback cards require good credit, around 670 or higher. Excellent credit, around $7.40 or above for top offers. Starter cards exist for fair credit, but rewards tend to be lower. Closing. Cashback credit cards remain one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly financial tools available in the United States. Used responsibly, they turn everyday spending into real savings, without complexity or hidden rules. The secret isn't owning many cards. It's owning the right combination for your lifestyle. So if you're ready to earn money back on every purchase, choose a card that matches your spending habits and start turning daily expenses into effortless savings. Smart spending starts with smart cards. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. BNR Money is not a financial institution, lender, or advisor. Credit card terms, rewards, and eligibility requirements may change at any time. Always review official issuer terms and consult a qualified financial professional before making financial decisions.